How to use Photon Sol. If you're into the Solana ecosystem and looking to get into something powerful for improving your blockchain experience, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to dive deep into Photon Solana, a cutting-edge platform designed to enhance your Solana-based projects and make interactions with Solana faster, smoother, and more efficient. First things first, what is Photon Solana? Photon Solana is a lightweight and a high performance SDK that enhances your interactions with the Solana blockchain ecosystem. It's designed to make decentralized apps faster and more efficient by providing low latency, high throughput communication, which is crucial when you're working with blockchain technology. First things first, you'll need to start by installing the Photon Solana SDK. Head over to their official GitHub repository or website. Once installed, you'll need an API key to interact with Photon Solana network. This key can be obtained by registering on their website. Now, you can configure Photon Solana in your project. It's super easy. After configuring, the initial setup will be ready. Now you're ready to use Photon Solana in your app.